Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right at the video. Open YouTube on your phone and load the clip you want. Make sure your connection is stable so the share options populate. Tap the video to reveal controls, then locate the share icon under the title or use the three-dot menu on the upper right. This step gets you to the system share sheet quickly. It's the gateway to copying the precise link, including a timestamp if you share from the current play position. Once the share sheet appears, scan the options and find Copy Link. Sometimes it's off-screen, so swipe the action row. Tap Copy Link. That places the full YouTube URL into your clipboard instantly. If you want the URL to include the exact playback time, enable the Start at Toggle or Tap Share while paused at the desired moment. Then Copy Link will include the timestamp parameter. This ensures anyone you send the link to opens at the same spot. After copying, go to your target app or message, long press the text field and choose Paste so the link is inserted. Make sure it opens properly by testing it once. Look for a time parameter like T equals if you expected a start time. If nothing pasted, clear recent apps and try again, or update YouTube. Sometimes the share sheet misbehaves. As a fallback, open the video in your mobile browser, tap the address bar, select and copy the URL directly. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.